Hello, car enthusiasts and tech lovers. Welcome back to Car Expert, your destination for exciting reviews and intriguing discussions. Today, we are diving into a unique topic that merges the world of automobiles and cryptocurrencies, the concept of only crypto can possible and how it's shaping the future, including the potential impact on the automotive industry. Imagine a car that isn't just paid for with cryptocurrency but embodies the very essence of blockchain innovation, a car designed for the crypto generation. Body. The concept, cars and cryptocurrency. Visuals, a luxury car driving through a futuristic city, highlighting crypto-inspired design elements like blockchain patterns and holographic displays. Narrator, cryptocurrency has revolutionized the financial world, and it's no surprise that it's finding its way into the automotive industry. Imagine a car where payments are made in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies. Blockchain technology secures the car's transactions, ownership history, and even maintenance records. Decentralized systems make trading and owning such a car as seamless as a crypto wallet transfer. Customizable ownership. Want to co-own a car with friends or investors? The Crypto Vantage supports fractional ownership through NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Powered by innovation. The car features an electric powertrain delivering a breathtaking 600 PS, symbolizing the speed and efficiency of cryptocurrency trading. Crypto payment integration. Buy the car using your crypto wallet with zero middlemen, an experience as seamless as trading your performance modes. Crypto staking earns you loyalty rewards, redeemable for car services or upgrades. How it relates to you. Visuals, scenes of Indian buyers using crypto apps to purchase cars, followed by shots of futuristic highways with self-driving cars communicating over blockchain. Narrator, for Indian buyers, this revolution means new possibilities, direct transactions, skip traditional financing and pay with crypto, eliminating the hassles of paperwork. Secure ownership, blockchain protects against fraud, ensuring the car you buy has an authentic history. Global trade, with crypto, you can purchase or sell cars internationally without currency exchange limitations. Outro. Visuals, the Crypto Vantage speeding into the sunset, with cryptocurrency symbols lighting up the road. Narrator, so, what do you think about the idea of a car built for the crypto age? Whether it's the futuristic Crypto Vantage or real-world adoption by carmakers, it's clear that only crypto can possible is more than just a slogan, it's a vision for the future. Let us know in the comments if you'd like to see cryptocurrency redefine car ownership and trading in India. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Car Expert, and hit the notification bell for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.